Today, I'm going to show you how to make Beetroot Sunrise lollies. These are the ingredients you need: 50 grams of strawberries, 50 grams of raspberries, 50 grams of carrots, and 50 grams of beetroot. This is a great morning lolly. It's like a cold pressed juice, but with all the fibre as well. Don't forget your water, 50 grams or mils, and 50 grams of coconut milk as well. We've got 4 teaspoons of unrefined cane sugar, but that's if you want it a bit sweeter. If not, don't worry about adding it. Chuck it all into a blender, it couldn't be simpler. Then you're just going to whiz it up, blend away until it's all smooth. Pour into your moulds. Don't forget to leave a gap of 1 centimetre at the top. Remember, things freeze and they expand. Then you're going to wrap it in foil or paper or cling film and put your sticks in. Freeze away, overnight is best. Enjoy! Guys, did you enjoy that? If so, check out our other recipe videos and make sure to subscribe and follow. See you soon!